The world is going electric and India is going green, with EVs, solar rooftops and wind farms leading the charge. Backed by strong EV policies, subsidies and major investments, the government of India is driving this momentum. But behind this revolution lies a silent threat: the battery. While demand soars, poor quality batteries are swelling, burning and even exploding, putting lives at risk. All due to shortcuts by some manufacturers. What's the solution? A brand that refuses to cut corners. Presenting Advantex Battery.
Advantex Battery has been set up in November 2020 in Kolkata for the manufacture of lithium ion batteries for the sectors of solar energy and electric vehicles. Our main USP is that we give a very good quality product. We have made sure that, number one, the battery pack should not have to come back to the factory for any customer service or any problem. And if by any chance it in fact does come back also, it should be repaired and be back with the customer within 48 hours. There was a lot of malpractices being done by a number of the companies that were supplying there. These malpractices were stopped by us, and because of that, the faith of the customer was revived.
Advantex Batteries follows a meticulous in-house manufacturing process to ensure every battery pack is high quality and safe. They import raw cells directly from the top-tier global suppliers and never through the traders. Once the cells arrive, the packaging is inspected for any transit damage. The process begins with grading, where each cell is categorized based on their electrical capacity. Unlike most competitors, they perform 100% cell grading. Then comes sorting, which classifies cells by electrical properties like internal resistance and voltage. Next is checking, where cells are arranged like 16 in series for a 60-volt pack or 6 in parallels for a 30 Ah to ensure structural stability throughout the battery's life. Then, cells are welded using pure nickel busbars designed to act as a safety fuses, disconnecting faulty cells during a thermal event. Next comes the dual layer insulation. Barley papers is applied, followed by a full visual inspection. Controlled wiring is then fitted, which ensures accurate communication with the controller. Each controller is tested at least 3 times for protections like over voltage, under voltage and short circuit. Then comes capacity testing, where 100% of the packs are charged, discharged and recharged to validate the performance. And finally, the battery is enclosed in powder-coated, rust-protected metal casing sealed with rubber gaskets and silicone.
So the product that we are making are essentially in 3 major categories. The first is the electric two-wheelers. We are making products in 48 volt architecture, 60 volt architecture and 72 volt architecture with different capacities. The second major product line that we have is for electric three-wheelers. In this range, we have battery packs in the 48 volt architecture and the 60 volt architecture. The last segment that we are catering to is for the energy storage systems. At present, we are supplying these battery packs to a lot of customers. We are also making what we call the expandable systems. These expandable systems are rack mountable and they can be used by homes, offices, commercials. They come in 5 kilowatt blocks. We have an excellent team of professionals guiding us. Our team members are BTech qualified mechanical engineers, electrical engineers and electronics engineers. In the year 2022, when we had just started out, we sold only about 2,000 units in the entire year. In the year 2023-24, we sold more than 8,000 units in that year. And in the year 2024-25, we have sold more than 20,000 units. We have less than 0.1% return or rejection rate in these battery packs.
Namaste. We have been using lithium batteries from Advantex for our e-rickshaws.
We are associated with Advantex Battery for more than 4 years.
I am very happy to share that I am very satisfied with the quality of performance the battery has been giving to my clients.
And we are very satisfied with the battery quality.
And the product is really good, and the more I like is his after sale service.
The technical team was very supportive.
I am really liking Advantex Battery.
So all the best to the Advantex team.
Thank you for all the support. Thank you.